Okay, so I was in the barn looking for VGA cables, and for this, so I got a bonus project. When I was in high school, my teacher, who I actually found on YouTube just recently, so hi. um, but yes, so I found this AM/FM radio kit because I think it was a year 3 of that class. This was a third year project. Um, we had one of these radio kits that we could choose from, and I think I broke this component, the antenna itself, which meant I had to buy an entire kit so I could get the antenna to put it back on the board. And this just sat, and I was like, you know what, one day I'm going to want to redo this project. I don't think it ended up working because at the time it was a very complex board. I just actually bought a new soldering kit from Skycraft recently. Um, I've been there's been a lot going on in my life recently for the past couple of years that I have not recorded and been doing because there've been mini projects that I just haven't recorded. But I realized that the style of my videos is very casual anyways, and there's really no point in me making edited videos because for the last literally more than half my life, this is how I've presented my projects on this channel. So I might as well just upload unedited videos of things that go on fairly real time in my life, because it's more fun that way than editing videos. I miss the casual side of YouTube. Casual YouTube was so much more fun. Oh my god. But so I'm pretty sure I have almost every component. Oh, it's even a QR code. I had to scan that. But yeah, so this is like an electronics crash course, which I probably should do. I probably should actually do this project. Not like immediately right now, but literally right after I get this done, because this would be a great way for me to refreshen all of the electronics that I have not been able to do for I don't know how many years. I don't want to run back to Skycraft just for this part that they definitely won't have, especially since I can make this part. I'm sure they have the impedance and other sort of values that this is supposed to have somewhere in the manual. Like, let's see. AM antenna with holders. Wait. AM antenna with holders. I'm sure it's in here somewhere, the impedance / I could calculate it. That would be pretty fun, because I would have to convert this part into what do you call it, brain fart. So I was just thinking about how I could tune this module to pick up other megahertz frequencies, and I was just wondering, like, oh, this is like a million projects I could do with this. So this is going to take some planning, but I could potentially do this. But if you don't see any video on this first, you're not going to see a video on this. This one is coming because I need to get this done ASAP. The reason why you haven't been seeing any videos on it is because I was obsessed with this idea of making polished videos, polished content, and that kind of holds me back with publishing my content. For me, I need to do this casual stuff, because this is what my YouTube channel is about. But that's an oscilloscope. Braxton, I can fix him. I just needed another oscilloscope to fix him, and I don't know how to do it. And I guess now I have more confidence that I could figure it out. But I don't think I can use an oscilloscope to do whatever, but I can still solder the board and sort of tune things with the multimeter or my ears. But yeah, so you got the. It's a complete set of parts except for the coil. The coil, unless that's the coil. Why do I have? Is that the coil? No, that's solder. Okay. So, why do they give solder? I mean, I suppose if you're giving an entire kit, but at that point you're assuming someone has it. Is this shrink tube? This might be shrink tube. Which I guess I can use with a candle. It's completely, it's not complete. I think this is, how is it? Yeah, except for the antenna, everything else is here. So, oh shit! Except those 2 parts, 3 parts. That is open. Okay, so this must have been where the antenna was. But yeah, so this is a complete electronics crash course. To refresh my memory, so when I went into the barn to find some VGA cables, I found something probably even better, because I am very, very rusty with my electronics, but this channel is proof that I have years and years of electronics experience. And so yeah, I will, if you don't see a video on this, before you see a video on this, this video won't be here. So this is just to show that I'm just showing something that I found in the barn, basically. I didn't expect to find this in there. I just thought it was cool, but oh, I better put this somewhere where things aren't gonna fall, because I think I heard something fall. But yeah, I need to like organize my room, because I had to reorganize everything to get these things up. But that's actually my main bottleneck right now, because yeah, there's not really much space for me to do things until I figure that out. But yeah.